In this video, we're going to be talking about how you can get your first 10 subscribers for your streaming service right now. Let's not make it more complicated than it is. The way that you're going to get subscribers for your streaming service is exactly how people sign up for Netflix, Disney Plus, or even a newsletter. The best way to look at this is look at the best in the business and then track how they do it. So we're going to break down how they do this, how they get people to onboard and stay as subscribers, and then we're going to talk about how you can be doing the same thing. All right, let's start with Netflix. First of all, we're at netflix.com. What do they do to get you in the door? Right here, they're saying unlimited movies, TV shows, and more. Watch anywhere, cancel anytime. So they're already telling me what I'm going to be getting if I sign up. They're already relieving me that I don't have to worry about contracts, and they just want me to get started. It doesn't tell me that I have to go for a credit card or anything like that. So they're making it really easy for me. It's giving me value props, and it's giving me imagery where I can watch this. It's on my TV, all of those things. It tells me all the different platforms I can watch. Also, it tells me I can download your shows to watch offline. Yes, right. But then also right here, it says it has frequently asked questions. What is Netflix? How much does Netflix cost? Where can I watch it? How do I cancel? What can I watch on Netflix? This is really important because now they're relieving your doubt or, buyer's remorse. They're telling you exactly what you're going to be getting. And this is crafted probably by all of the questions that they get to support or, when people are trying to do different things on their platform, they're making this custom to focus on you signing up. Now, how do we know this? Because after the FAQ, what do they say? Ready to watch, enter your email to create or restart your membership. Again, they're going through all the steps of you as a customer, all the information you need to make a great decision to go on. Okay, so if I'm thinking about your type of streaming service, your platform to get subscribers, do you even have a website or a landing page that does this? Now I'm gonna go to a retrocrush.tv. So this is for retro anime. So it's not even trying to go after something like Crunchyroll. It's being very specific. It's going for a specific time frame and anime. So right here, I can start watching right away. They're showing me the selection of different shows. And this is right off the bat. So they're not even doing a landing page. They're just telling me, hey, this is the full volume. Let's see, start watching. Now, if I start watching, does it give me a preview? Okay, so it gives me a preview here. Okay, so it shows that it has the whole thing. But what do we notice here? There's commercials. So they're still making some revenue. Even if I don't sign up and make an account, they're still making some money off of me. So that's something to keep in mind. So it's a different strategy. Now, premium is $4.99 a month and it's ad-free. So again, I could be sick and tired of watching the commercials and I can just go premium or premium annual. And again, they're making another way of making revenue. So again, that's a very interesting strategy. But again, they're doing this because if they're running commercials, they're still making money off of you, even if you don't sign up. Now, we went to Netflix, we went to Retro Crush. Let's take a look at Disney Plus. Now, did we notice the difference right here? The two biggest companies, I'm about looking at what the best in the business are doing and emulate what they're doing versus what everyone else is doing. Now, Retro Crush, I'm still a fan of their platform, but just consider if you're going to, they've spent millions of dollars. Disney Plus and Netflix have spent millions of dollars on their onboarding process. So think about how you can incorporate a few of these tactics or techniques in your own onboarding. Did you look at how similar these two are? Look how similar, they're not even trying to pretend like they're not. Look, Netflix is over here. Disney Plus has almost the same exact type of background. Get all three: Hulu, Disney Plus, ESPN. And they've got all the credibility: Disney, Pixar, Marvel, Star Wars, National Geographic. $6.99. They're telling me the price right there. They're telling me the price, or $69.99 per year. Down here, this is rotating, makes sense. Soul just came out, so they're showing off what they have. They have Black Panther, excellent movie. And then the new home for your favorites. So now they're working on nostalgia as well, because their catalog, because of the acquisition of 20th Century Fox, all these things, bam, they're just hitting you with, guess what? You don't have to go anywhere else. You might be on Netflix, all this stuff, but we got all of the best franchises right here. Stream exclusive Disney Plus originals. Again, get all three, $12.99. $12.99 for all three. What was it for? Sign up for Disney Plus only $6.99. Interesting. So right here, they're showing me the option that is cheaper. And then they're hitting me again after showing all of that. And they're saying, hey, guess what? $12.99 for everything. Tells me available, what platforms, all those things. Again, look at how similar some of the platforms are. They're competing head to head. And just think about that. So we've looked at an example of Netflix and also Disney Plus. What can you be doing? How's your onboarding? Look how visual this is. Look at the titles, what they're doing. You can be learning a lot of what you can be doing for your own platform. And again, even if you don't have the titles yet, but you're thinking about this, can you make your landing page the mock-up of coming soon? This is what you're going to be expecting, then modeling it very similar to something like this. Okay, so we're going to go to one more, and we're going to go to Amazon. Now, just to let you know, Amazon has a whole, again, Amazon, their videos and their Prime, it's great, but that's not their main business, right? It's just an add-on. So if we look at Amazon, again, don't just view like it has to be like Netflix or Disney Plus. They have a reason why they're doing it their way too. So this is for Prime videos. Again, they're showing their selection, what they have, all the stuff. So when we're over here, it scrolls over. We can see the trailer for the episode. We can sign up and get started right away watching Prime, just confirming that we want the 30-day trial, all of those things. And think about this, when you're going for Prime, they're already allowing you to try it 30 days free, but they already have all of your contact information to get started. And that works on retention, because if you forget about it, guess what? You're already paying after the 30 days. And again, they're already onboarding you and making it easy to take advantage of it right off the bat. So 3 different styles of how you can do it, really 4 with Retro Crush. But it's important to keep in mind how visual it is, how clear their promises and what they're going to be delivering. And think about for yourself, what is your headline? What are you delivering? So if I'm looking at unlimited movies, can you say unlimited movies of this certain type? Who is it for? What would you like to do? Be really, really clear. What is the value prop? What do you need to reassure the person? Watch anywhere, cancel anytime. That's great. So it tells me that I can watch it on tons of different platforms, and also I'm relieving the person. You don't have to worry about it. You can cancel anytime. It's not a huge contract. It's no contract at all. Then they're talking to me again, ready to watch. Enter your email to create or restart your membership. Again, it's not telling me that I have to put in my billing information. It's just very easy to get started and go the next way. Okay, I want to add one more. This is Crunchyroll.com. So this is a platform to watch anime. Look at how clear they're making it. The world's largest anime collection. Okay, they're just telling you right off the bat. View premium plans. They're getting right down to business, that they're just telling you, hey, you already know where it's at. Tell me what works for you, and then go from there. They have 3 different plans from $7 to $14 a month. And again, depending on what I'm looking for, what kind of fan I am, what kind of experience, I'm going to get different things. In between, I'm still finding out, watch new episodes 1 hour after they air in Japan. Again, they're speaking to the language of their target demographic, what they care about the most. Watch 1 hour after they air in Japan. Like, that's a crazy turnaround. Okay, that's great. Enjoy an unlimited ad-free anime. Yes, please. Read hundreds of chapters across dozens of manga titles. So they're tying in their other type of content. Why I should be doing this. It's not just shows. I get manga as well. Very important to anime fans. And also then save exclusive Crunchyroll store discounts. So they're just adding more benefits on that right there. Then watch anytime, anywhere. Again, they're showing me mock-ups of what I should be seeing and all of those things. Wonderful. And then 30,000 episodes, showing me a bunch of different titles. And again, ready, let's go, pay up. And then we have questions right here. Now that you've seen multiple platforms, how they're doing their streaming service, write down what you plan on using for your landing page to get people to sign up for your streaming service. And these were just a few examples. There are dozens of different streaming services. Take notes, see what you want to use for your own brand, why it makes sense, not just copying what Netflix or Disney Plus is doing, what makes sense for your brand, for your audience. Take the notes and then think about creating that landing page to test the idea. Don't worry about trying to get, 30,000 movies or all those things. See if your target demographic even wants your type of streaming platform, and write all those things down below. Now, if you like this kind of content, make sure that you like and subscribe to this video and ask me questions what you're looking for to create your business, your streaming business, or a side hustle, whatever you're doing, or just looking at trends and what you can be doing with your brand. Let me know all those things, because that's what we do weekly on this channel. I'll see you in the next video.